So with this one's a really easy one, but if you have both image and type together, I can't just take this and hold down the shift key and scale it, right? It just doesn't, you can see it doesn't work. The container moves and this moves, and that's not the way that you want to do it. So you could come up here and scale them both together. There you go. Okay. You could also group them. Nope, still doesn't work, right? So there's a shortcut for that. They don't necessarily need to be grouped for you to do that. If you hold Command and Shift down, it'll scale them, right? Scales them together. If I do Command and Shift and also hold Option, it'll scale them from the center. So again, Command and Option, or sorry, Command and Shift scales them. Command Option and then, or Command Shift and then adding in Option scales from the center, right? So that's a real just simple one, but you need it to be able to move around in InDesign.